Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 1st of June 2021 and in this video we are going to say the important current affairs from 1st of June 2021. Our first question is, which of the following day has been celebrated recently as World No Tobacco Day in 2021? Answer is option number 3, 31st May. Recently 31st May has been celebrated as World No Tobacco Day. It is celebrated every year on 31st May to spread awareness on the danger of tobacco and what ways this substance can harm one's system. And this day has been started by World Health Organization. So answer will be option number 3, 31st May. Next, which of the following day has been recently celebrated as Goa Statehood Day? Answer is option number 2, 13th May. Every year 13th May is celebrated as Goa Statehood Day. On 19th of December 1961, on 19th of December 1961, Goa was liberated and made a composite union territory of India, and on 13th of May 1987, Goa was confirmed the statehood. That's the reason every year 13th May is celebrated as Goa Statehood Day in Goa. So answer will be option number 3, 13th May. Goa, look at map. This is Goa. This is Goa. It was formed on 13th of May 1987. Capital is Panji. Governor is Bhagat Singh Koshari. CM is Pramod Sawant. Its legislature has 40 seats. 2 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 1 member is elected to Rajya Sabha from Goa. It is the smallest state by area and the 4th smallest by population in India. It borders with Maharashtra and Karnataka, and Mandobi and Zuari are the main rivers of Goa. Next, which of the following bank has recently become the first small finance bank to provide online account opening facility to NRI customer, that is non-residence India customers? Answer is option number 1, Equitas Small Finance Bank. Equitas Small Finance Bank is a small finance bank founded in 2016. Founded in 2016 by Equitas as a microfinance lender. The bank has headquarters in Chennai, and recently it has become the first small finance bank to provide online account opening facility to NRI customers. With this, Equitas Small Finance Bank is increasing opportunity for its NRI account holders to manage their investment, deposits and income earned in India. So answer will be option number 1, Equitas Small Finance Bank. Next, who is the director of NIA? What is NIA? Long form of NIA is National Investigation Agency. Long form of NIA is National Investigation Agency. It is India's counter-terrorist task force. It is empowered to deal with terror-related crimes across state without special permission from the states. It was established on 31st of December. It was established on 31st of December 2008. Its headquarters is in New Delhi, and recently Kuldeep Singh has been appointed as the Director General of NIA. Actually, Kuldeep Singh is the DG or Director General of CRPF, that is Central Reserve Police Force. Central Reserve Police Force, and he has given the additional charge as the Director General of NIA. So answer will be option number 1, Kuldeep Singh. Kuldeep Singh is an IPS officer of 1986 batch. Next, which of the following state government has recently announced the Chief Minister Shishu Seva Scheme? Answer is option number 2, Assam. Recently, the Chief Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswa Sharma, has announced to launch a new program called Chief Minister's Shishu Seva Scheme. Under this scheme, rupees 3,500 will be provided to the guardian of every child orphaned due to the COVID-19 in the state for their education and skill development. So answer will be option number 2, Assam. Assam, look at map. This is Assam. Its capital is Dispur. Governor is Jagdish Mukhi. Now, Chief Minister is Hemanta Biswa Sharma. Hemanta Biswa Sharma is the new Chief Minister of Assam. Its legislature has 126 members. 14 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 7 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Assam. It borders with Bhutan, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram and Bangladesh. Brahmaputra is the main river of Assam. Bihu is the main festival of Assam. Assamese is the official language of Assam. Assam is the largest tea producing state in India. Kaziranga National Park is also located in Assam, and Majuli, which is the largest river island in world, is also located in Assam. Next, which of the following ministry has launched the Yuva scheme? Answer is option number 1, Education Ministry or Ministry of Education. Recently, the Ministry of Education has launched this Yuva Prime Minister scheme for monitoring youth authors. Long form of YUVA. Long form of YUVA is Y stand for young, U for upcoming, V for versatile, and A for authors. Long form is Yuva, upcoming and versatile author, and it is an author mentorship program to train youth and budding authors below 30 years of age in order to promote reading, writing, and book culture in the country and project India and Indian writings globally. So answer will be option number 1, Education Ministry. Next, which of the following state government has recently launched Bal Seva Yojana for the children who lost their parents due to COVID-19 pandemic? Answer is option number 1, Uttar Pradesh. Recently, state government of Uttar Pradesh has launched this Bal Seva Yojana for the children who lost their parents due to COVID-19 pandemic. The state government will provide financial assistance of rupees 4,000 per month to such children, and financial assistance of rupees 1 lakh 1,000 rupees will be provided for the marriage of girl children who lost their parents in the pandemic. So answer will be option number 1, UP or Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh, look at map. This is Uttar Pradesh. Its capital is Lucknow. Governor is Anandiben Patel. CM is Yogi Adityanath. It is the fourth state by area in India and first by population in India. It borders with Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Delhi, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Jharkhand, and Nepal, and Ganga, Yamuna, Betwa, Ken, Chambal, Ghagra, Gomiti, Sonar, the main rivers of Uttar Pradesh. Next, central government has recently allocated rupees 5,116 crore central grant in aid to dash for the implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission. Answer is option number 4, Madhya Pradesh or MP, to provide safe and portable piped drinking water to all the rural household in Madhya Pradesh. Government of India has recently allocated rupees 5,116.79 crore central grant in aid to Madhya Pradesh for the implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission in Madhya Pradesh, and it has been allocated keeping in view the commitment of the state to make provision of tap water supply in every rural home by 2023. So answer will be option number 4, Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh, look at map. This is Madhya Pradesh. Its capital is Bhopal. Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. Governor is Anandiben Patel. CM is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Its legislature has 230 members. 29 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 11 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Madhya Pradesh. It is the second state by area in India and fifth by population in India. It borders with UP, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Rajasthan. Ganga, Godavari, Galti, Narmada, Mahi are the main rivers of Madhya Pradesh. Next, Dash has given its approval to the use of Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine for children aged between 12 to 15 years recently. Answer is option number 1, the European Union. The European Union has recently given its approval to the use of the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine for the children aged between 12 to 15 years. The vaccine of Pfizer has already been used in the European Union to vaccinate those aged 60 years or above, and this decision will enable the broadening of vaccination rollout in the European Union to cover the large part of the population. So answer will be option number 1, European Union. And 10th question is, BCCI has announced that it plans to host the remaining matches of IPL 2021 between September to October 2021 in which of the following country? Answer is option number 3, UAE or United Arab Emirates. BCCI has recently announced that it will host the remaining matches of IPL 2021 between September and October 2021 in UAE. The decision of changing the venue was taken because of the monsoon season in India at the time, and the 14th edition of the Indian Premier League was suspended earlier after few players tested positive for COVID-19. So answer will be option number 3, UAE. UAE, look at map. This is UAE. Its capital is Abu Dhabi. President is Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, and currency is UAE dirham. Now we will quickly revise the questions of our last video. Our first question was, which of the following day is celebrated as United Nations Peacekeepers Day? Answer is option number 3, 29th May. Which of the following state or union territory government has recently launched SASCM scheme? Answer is option number 3, Jammu Kashmir. Which of the following state government has recently launched Akanksha portal? Answer is option number 1, Karnataka. Which nation will begin vaccinating children aged about 12 years from June 7? Answer is option number 2, Germany. When is World Hunger Day celebrated or observed? It is observed on 20th of May every year. Which of the following day is celebrated as World Digestive Health Day? Answer is option number 3, 29th May. Who has been recently elected as the president of the International Narcotics Control Board? Answer is option number 1, Jagjit Pavadia. Which of the following state government has recently launched smart kitchen scheme? Answer is option number 3, Kerala. Who among the following has been recently launched Sehat OPD portal? Answer is option number 2, Rajnath Singh. Union Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has recently launched this Sehat OPD portal. Next question was, which state government has recently launched MHIM mobile application? This has been launched by Manipur. Option number 2. Who has been recently awarded the Annie Award 2021? Answer is option number 1, CNR Rao. Which of the following country has launched Unite Aware mobile platform recently? It has been launched by India. Option number 4. And last question was, which of the following day is celebrated as International Everest Day? Every year 29th May is celebrated as International Everest Day. These were the questions asked in our last video. Now we will see the answer of the question which was asked to you in the last video. Question was, which of the following day is celebrated as International Tibet Mukti Divas? Answer is option number 3, 23rd May. Every year 23rd May is celebrated as International Tibet Mukti Divas. Now today's question is, who among the following has been recently awarded with the World Choreography Award 2020? Options are Suresh Mukunda, Amit Bhatia, Roman Sinha, and none of these. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss the question in the next video.